So welcome back. After understanding the general settings of a page, now we will look for few more settings that are very important to make any Facebook page as a professional page. So let us start. Next we have the settings related to the messaging. These settings are more related to how your fans will communicate with you. The most important setting here is Response Assistant. By using this option, you can send the automated messages if someone sends you any query. In this case, you have to just make it on and customize the message that you want to send. Explore this option further. Then we have the page information settings. Here, you will give the complete detail about your business on this page by filling the various fields. Give the description of your page. Write very crisp introduction about your business, brand, community, or the purpose of the page within 255 characters. You may add more categories. These categories are editable in future if you want. You can add these categories at any time. Enter the address of your website here. If you haven't any website, then you can select this option. Next, enter the email ID. Next, we have the location and give your address details here. Give the details about your service area here. This one is very important. Here you can mention your working hours. It will give the indication to your customer to plan when they would visit your business. Let me give my timings here. Impression is used to include a statement of ownership on your website presence. It is mandatory in few of the selected countries but not in India. Next, you can give the product price range of your product. If you are interested, you can keep it undefined. Next, we have the settings related to templates and tabs. Although much customization is not possible in the standard template, but the Facebook has beautiful templates for different purposes that you can use. Let me show you few of them. By default, it is standard. Click on Edit to select more templates. Here we have multiple options and you can select which best represent your business, brand or event. This is the standard template of a page. Let me change it to the business. Click View Details and Apply. OK. Our template is changed. Let me refresh the page. Now it has new look with few more tabs more relevant to the business. Can I further customize these tabs? I mean to say, can I delete or add few more tabs? Yes, of course we can change it. Click on Add Tabs. Select an appropriate tab that you want. Suppose I want to add a service tab. Now see, our tab is added. Let me refresh it first. Yes, it is there. Let us go back to our settings. You can further change the position of tabs. Just drag it to an appropriate place and drop it. You can further copy the URL of any tab and you can share it with the people. Next, we have the page attribution. It simply says that all the posts will be attributed to this page only, not to your personal ID. Next, we have the settings related to the notification. If there is any activity, you will receive the notification of that. You can either disable the notification or you can change the notification alerts according to your requirement for the messages, emails, text messages and so on. Next, we have the Messenger platform. Here you will find the Messenger related settings. Just explore these options and make the necessary changes. This is very important as far as our page roles are concerned. In this case, I am the admin of this page. I have full control of it. If I want, I can give the access of this page to other people, say employees, advertisers, or analysts, by defining a particular role. You can assign the role of editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst. You can read about these roles more in detail. I have given the link in the description. I will advise you to add at least one more admin to your page. If tomorrow your main admin leaves the organization, then another admin may work on this page. But give the admin role to the person to whom you trust the most. I am adding one admin to the page. Enter your password and an invitation will be sent to the concerned person. This is important. A person must have the Facebook ID to whom you want to assign any role. Here you have the details about your fans who liked your page. If you want to delete or ban any of your fans, you can do it from here. Page audience settings are not available. Authorization settings are related to social ads and political ads, and Facebook wants to track on these ads. Next we have the branded content. Branded content is a post that features or is influenced by the business partner for an exchange of value. You may turn this feature to allow only approved pages to tag you in the branded content post. From here, you can connect to the Facebook to the Instagram account as well, and you will be able to manage your Instagram account from this page. For this purpose, you have to connect your account to the Instagram. I will show you somewhere else how to connect your account with the Instagram account. For the time being, leave it as it is. Next we have the features, just leave it as it is. Then we have the cross-posting. This is very good feature of Facebook pages. Cross-posting allows you and another page to post the video on each other's behalf. Cross-posting can only happen between the pages that have added each other. You control which videos are eligible to be cross-posted. When a page cross-posts your videos, they will also be able to view video insights for their post. Just simply add the page where you want to cross-post the videos. Select the concerned page and request will be sent to the concerned page. If you are the admin of that page, then the request will be immediately accepted and you can start cross-posting the videos. But if you are not the admin of the page, you will not be able to cross-post the video until your request is accepted by the another page. We have few more settings, but let these settings be default. With this, we have finished with most of the settings of a page. Just play around these settings and learn more about these settings. In the next video, we will talk more about the Facebook page, as our page is not yet finalized. Just join me in the next part.